friends. Okay, so I'm just getting some laundry folded. Naomi just went down for a nap, and my older kids are downstairs playing Barbies, and they're doing really awesome, so I don't want to mess that up. So yeah, I'm just folding all this, washing my bedding, and probably won't get any of it, all of it done, but I'm gonna be able to make some sort of dent into it. But yeah, so that's all that's happening right now. So we're just cleaning up the table for lunch. Yesterday I made like a Cafe Rio.
And I'm just cleaning up the table. Yes,
you're such a good helper. You have school in like 30 minutes, so we're gonna have lunch first. And I even made the Cafe Rio dressing. It's like a cilantro ranch. And it's really good. Yeah. So I just eat the lettuce and the pork, and then I put a little bit of this on it, and it's pretty healthy for you. I leave out the tortilla and the cheese, but yeah.
And Naomi's asleep, and I got her to sleep by myself.
Olivia did. You put her in the swing, and she fell asleep, and then I put her in the bassinet, and she was like out. Good job. High five. Good job. And you're gonna clean off the table?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm your helper.
You're my helper. Thank you.
Sometimes my dad leaves on a trip, and then he's at work, and I help.
Yeah. Thank you. I love you.
Thank you.
Hey, puppy. Hello.
And we got a new carpet.
All right, we'll show you our lunch soon. Tell me what you guys are eating.
Quesadilla with some stuff in it, and sauce.
Yum. And look at mine. I made mine with just the lettuce and the meat and the salad dressing. Why is it so blurry? And it's really delicious, and it's pretty healthy, so.
Yeah, that's what she was talking about over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we have to eat it.
Yeah, it's good for you. Good boy. Okay. Sweet girl. It's kind of dark. There we go. Hey! Oh. We just got done. Well, I just got done working out, and sorry, I touch my nose a lot in videos. I was just realizing that. Okay, so I got my workout done. If you can see that, 504 calories. Took me about an hour. Took a few breaks because this one just wasn't having it, but I need a workout, and I can't rely on my husband because he's busy at work, and I just have to get it done. And I don't want to wake up early, and I don't want to stay out late. I want to get it done while my kids are awake, so that when she takes her nap, I can rest, or I can have a downtime, or I can do something that I want to do. Not, you know, hurry up and quickly get a workout in, you know, and rush it. Are you smiling at me? Are you smiling at me? I love you. And then, Harrison, where are ya? Harrison! He's over there. This guy just kind of hung out, right, Harrison? We're just having fun. He does not care. He's almost 4, so he's just like Sure, Mom, we'll do whatever you want. How you doing? You're so good at that. You're so good at that. So, yeah, I feel really good. I don't look very good, and that's okay. That's what you're supposed to look like after a workout.
Elsa in there.
Elsa?
No, Elsa's in Grandma's.
Huh?
Elsa's in those.
Elsa's in those? Oh, I don't know what you're talking about. Anyways.
Elsa from Anna and Elsa.
Oh, okay. So I'm now gonna get her down for a nap, and I'm just going to relax because I just worked really hard. Hold on, I'm talking. Basically for my workouts, what I do is I just do a bunch of random like HIIT stuff. I write up a list of things, or I'll show you an example of things like ideas that I have. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just like 2 minutes of lunges, 1 minute of leg jumps, you know, just random things where I use like the stairs. See that step next to my front or side door? I'll like do stairs on that. Or then I have my 10-pound dumbbells, and I'll do different types of workouts like that too. And I always include like a 3-minute jog in place just to keep my heart rate up, but not like extremely like exert myself. Yeah, so I feel good. I'm glad I got it done. It's always kind of hard because you're like, why am I doing this? Everybody's miserable, including yourself, but it always feels so much better afterwards. And I didn't lose 100 pounds fast. That's weird, something's in my mouth. I didn't lose it fast. It took me a long time. I have to be patient with myself, especially after this baby weight. It's taking so long to get off. And I could be better with my diet, but I'm not rushing myself because I want to enjoy her. I can't really see her, it's dark. I want to enjoy her, and I don't want to be stressed out every single day because, you know, I can't get in a workout. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. And thankfully, she was awesome. She fussed a little bit, but that's okay, she's a baby. Anyways, so I'm excited that I got it done, and I feel so much better. So